Hello, trading is closed on August the 2nd, 2017. We had a couple of calls yesterday. We said the most likely was that we gapped outside of the day's range, which we did. Next most likely was we closed a little change, which we also did. During the day, MEJT gave these sell signals. They've been satisfied, but they gave a higher target as well. That was hit right at the end. Here's the white dot. There's resistance over the target, so we closed at the MEJT resistance area. No unsatisfied MEJT targets from today's trading. Well, we've been saying that our presumption is that the high of this leg was in for the S&P. Other indices, like the Dow Jones, have hit new highs. We really haven't dropped significantly at all. And the question is it a matter of time until the S&P just breaks out to a new high too? Well, until we take out some more prior lows, anything's possible. But this is what's happened to breadth while the market's been going up on some indices. And you can see breadth is collapsing. Fewer and fewer stocks are holding the averages up. This is 3 days straight we've gapped up. We have nothing to show for it as we couldn't close over any of these highs. This is a pattern which tends to close near the day's high. When that doesn't happen, it leads to trouble. We have a wall into the close, often leads to gapping down at the open. There are infinite ways in which this can be counted. I originally had this as wave 3, but since this consolidation has now overlapped with this one, that counts out the window. We do have a possible A with B, and if this is your A, ABC for A, then A, B, B, you'll see that wave C, if this is A, wave C has a nice Fibonacci relationship with wave A, so we have Fibonacci resistance right at Wednesday's close also. I'm looking for lower prices right from the get-go on Thursday. I think that Thursday's pattern is one where the low tends to come early, often around the bottom of the first hour of trading. If the interpretation's right, it should be a pretty big down day, and if I'm wrong, it should be obvious before the open by the market gapping strongly up. So unless we gap up strongly, I look for lower prices right from the open. That's today's call.